The NIH and the clinical center is probably one of the best places anybody could come to impact the future of medicine.
The best teaching hospitals have a combination of three elements: teaching, clinical care, and research.
The reason I chose a clinical fellowship program at the NIH is because you get a bench-to-bedside type of research experience that you can't get at any other program in the country.
The NIH has a clinical center that encompasses a broad range of medical and dental specialties, and these boutique programs are closely tied to the research we conduct here.
One of the great aspects of working at the NIH Clinical Center is that the clinics and the research laboratories are located close together physically.
It's critical that all of our fellows get excellent clinical training, and we accomplish that in a couple of different ways. We take care of very interesting and complicated patients here.
It is a place where research is blended in with clinical care in such a way that it promotes decades worth of exciting discoveries.
It feels like what we're doing is really important, really special, and people come from all over the world for treatment here.
I help trainees develop as both a clinician and a scientist by making sure that when they come into the lab, they're working on a specific project, but they're also learning how that project relates directly to patients.
The mentorship at the NIH is unparalleled because we get to work with experts in their fields.
I think it's a really good place to do my training. The reason being I can see many sick patients in their processes of the diseases, especially rare diseases.
These mentors really want to take the time to teach you not just clinically, but also how to apply your clinical knowledge into the research world.
And not only do they want to teach, but they want to know what you think. And that's kind of a really cool feeling when you have someone who's that accomplished looking at you and saying like, hey, what do you think?
So far at the NIH, and I already got a chance to be involved with leadership as part of the GME representatives at ClinFelCom.
ClinFelCom, or the Clinical Fellows Committee, is an organization run by fellows for fellows, and it's a great way to become more involved in the leadership at the NIH Clinical Center and also in wellness initiatives.
One of the benefits of coming here as a trainee is that the fellows have a solid background in clinical medicine, but are often getting one of their first experiences in research.
In medical training, the goal is to get to an answer. What does the patient have? Particularly, what does the patient have that could make them very sick? In research, the goal is to ask the questions.
You should definitely come and train with us here at the NIH Clinical Center. It's an amazing environment.
Patients are at the foundation of everything we do here.
It's really a unique experience that I don't think you could find anywhere else.
It really is a special place because you have all these experts that are here and all this history, and just working here is really magical.